That's good. Thank you. Thank you. We're at BUN CHA.
Have you tried bun cha before?
Yes.
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 Garlic and chili.
Yes. Okay, thank you. BUN CHA. It's a very nice place, air conditioned, not very local. It has a cooking class, but in this 40-degree heat, it's great to pay for the air conditioning. Okay, let's try. No chilies, garlic in the sauce. Chilies and garlic. Okay, we got BUN CHA. We're gonna put some chilies and some lots of garlic, and mix that up. Gonna put some
Plus you got to break the noodles in the spoon. It'll be small.
noodle action in here. A little bit of veggie. And take a little bit of this pork. And then this one bite. Oh, got chili pepper. Burn.
I think it's less sweet than other places, which I like.
But it's good. Let's put some more. A little more noodle. So, how do you rate it? One more bite.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
BUN CHA. Anyways, like and subscribe.